हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल लर्निंग रॉक्स पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 की इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक का यूनिट 3 का थर्ड लेसन। लेसन का नाम है ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ द पास्ट। यदि आप मेरे चैनल में नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली सारी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके और इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। यूनिट 3 लेसन ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ द पास्ट। कॉम्प्रिहेंशन ए, रीड द टाइमलाइन शॉन बिलो एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। तो बच्चों, ये हमें टाइमलाइन दे रखी है और हमें इसे रीड करना है और इसी से रिलेटेड हमें क्वेश्चन दिए हैं जो हमने सॉल्व करने हैं। ये आपने पूरा का पूरा टाइमलाइन जो दी हुई है ये आपने रीड कर लेनी है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लिस्ट द इवेंट्स दैट लेड टू द डिस्टेंसिंग ऑफ हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम। आंसर, ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग फाउंडेड टू प्रमोट Muslim political interest Jinnah call for establishment of Pakistan. Second, who drew the plan of partition of India? Answer, Lord Mountbatten. Third question, who was the first person to demand a separate nation for Muslims? Answer, Dr. Allama Iqbal. Fourth question, find out the text words that mean the same as those underlined in the sentences given below and write them in the space provided. A, Uttar Pradesh has been divided into 2 states. Partition. B, a broadcast declaration of the panchayat election results will be done by the evening. Announcement. C, Communist Party has decided to take part in the rally being organized against inflation. Participate. Working with language vocabulary. A, the meanings of oppressors and oppressed from the dictionary are given below. Oppressor, a person or group of people that treats another person or group of people cruelly or unfairly. Oppressed, people who are treated or are prevented from having the same opportunities, freedom and benefits as others. Look at the following nouns and verbs taken from the link lesson. ये हमें नाउन और वर्ब दिए हैं। हमने इसमें से नाउन ऑप्रेसर अलग निकालने हैं, ऑप्रेसर अलग निकालने हैं, ऑप्रेस्ड अलग निकालने हैं। Based on the text, categorize them into words related to oppressor and oppressed. ये oppressor है, ये oppressed है। Merchant, the conquest, British, sepoys, rulers, officers. Oppressed, slave, peasants, revolt, martyrs, dethroned, sacrifices, patriots, massacres. Grammar. A, the past indefinite tense. Example, watched a TV program. Here, watched is the past indefinite form of the verb watch. What did you do yesterday? When we speak about what happened yesterday, or last week, or earlier, we use the past indefinite tense. Make sentences in the past indefinite tense by using the following words. One has been done for you. तो इन्होंने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है, यहाँ राउंड किया हुआ है. ब्रिटिश एक्सटेंड देयर एम्पायर इन इंडिया. तो मैंने यहाँ पर नंबरिंग दे दी है. इसी नंबरिंग से मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया है और उसके बाद यहाँ डिटेल में भी लिख दिया है. तो फर्स्ट, सेकंड, सिपॉय rebel for his people against conqueror. Third, king help the Britishers to invade their other kings. Third. Fourth, merchants sell their things to the Indians. Fourth. Fifth, landlord loss their land in wars. Sixth, leader fight against the rule. तो मैंने यहाँ नंबरिंग भी कर दी है और यहाँ पर लिख भी दिया है. तो आप यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं. बी, चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. फर्स्ट, Raja Ram Mohan said knowledge should be practical and scientific. Answer, Raja Ram Mohan Rai said that knowledge should be practical and scientific. Second, the farmer said to the merchant, your men are taking all my crop. Answer, the farmer told the merchant that his men were taking all his crop. Third, the landlord said our destiny is linked to them. Answer, the landlord said that their destiny is linked to them. Fourth, Mangal Pandey said we must drive out the Angrez. Answer, Mangal Pandey said that they must drive out the Angrez. Fifth, Kanwar Singh said, Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. Answer, Kanwar Singh told Mother Ganga that was his last offering to her. 6. Begum Hazrat Mahal said, the white man has taken away my kingdom. Answer, Begum Hazrat Mahal said that the white man had taken away her kingdom. Dictionary practice. Find out the meaning of the underlined word from a dictionary, then rewrite the sentences in your own word. First, the East India Company's laws began to cripple Indian industries. तो जो ये यहाँ पर इन्होंने अंडरलाइन दी हुई है, तो हमने इनके मीनिंग निकालने हैं और सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. हमें वैसे ऑलरेडी दे रखी है, पर हमने यहाँ हमें दे रखी है, तो आप इसको रीड कर सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट, द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनीज लॉ began to cripple Indian industry. Second, the bonds of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India. Third, our kings have become puppets. 4. Soldiers were stripped of their uniforms. 5th, the existing friction amongst neighboring kingdoms helped the British. First, cripple. To seriously damage. The East India Company's laws badly harmed Indian industry. Second, bleaching. Becoming white. The bonds of cotton weavers are turning white on the plains of India. Third, puppets. People who are controlled by others. Our kings have become people who are controlled by others. 4. Striped, removed form. The soldiers had their uniform removed. 5th. Friction. Disagreement. The existing disagreements among neighboring kingdoms helped the British. Speaking and writing composition. Based on the hints given, ये हमें इसके अंदर हमें hints दिए हुए हैं. Write a paragraph describing the revolt of 1857. तो हमें यहाँ पर hints दिए हुए हैं और हमने एक पैराग्राफ इससे रिलेटेड ही बनाना है. द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857. The revolt of 1857 was the first major struggle for Indians' freedom against British rule. By 1857, the British had occupied a large part of India. The people were unhappy with the policies of the East India Company and had lost their self-respect. The revolt began with a violent outbreak of merit and soon spread to many parts of the country. Soldiers, kings, and many common people joined together to fight against the British. Leaders like Mangal Pandey inspired the people with their courage and patriotism. Although the British had better weapons and finally suppressed the revolt, it awakened the spirit of nationalism among Indians. The revolt of 1857 is remembered as the first war of Indian independence. तो बच्चों ये थे यूनिट 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हमने सॉल्व किए हैं. अब हम अपनी अगली वीडियो में यूनिट 4 करेंगे. यदि आपको ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. धन्यवाद.